Yeah, go me. Bob the motherfucking Builder. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the kingdom. If you're new here, hi. As some of you guys have realized or noticed, I moved into a different room and you guys have been asking for a room tour, and I filmed the whole process of getting everything together and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and just get right to it. Alright, so this is the hallway of my mother's basement where I have migrated. This is my door. Once you know, open it, you have my door, and then you have my laundry bin and my laundry bin and my shoe rack. My shoe rack was not that hard to build, honestly. Very, very easy. I'm about to build this shoe rack that I've been talking about building for forever. It's supposed to look like this. Okay, so these have different sizes. So this is for the top post. Oh, I see. Hi. House. Why is it not screwing? Finally! Oh my god. This was the easiest thing to build ever. I don't know why I was so scared of building it. Ooh, will it fit? Moment of... Oh, it doesn't fit. It doesn't... Oh, I could do it like this. Okay, I could do it like this. I love the look of it, and I think it'll go well with the theme that I have. And then we have my light switch, and then we have my clothing rack. I keep mostly my jackets and just like, yeah, I have a bunch of puffer jackets.
Do you have a big black puffer jacket even?
It's winter jackets, so I just hang them here so that when I'm stepping out, I just walk right out. I got this rack from IKEA. It was actually like $9, and I love the look of it. Very like simplistic and stuff. Very easy to build too, and very cheap. So, and then you come here, and then we have my dresser. I got this dresser from Walmart. I just keep like random shit. Well, this is like hair stuff, but mostly just like random shit in here. This is my prayer mat. It took me forever to build. Oh my god. And then on top of this, we have this gold plate. I think I got this from Target. It just has like, you know, my lotion, deodorant, perfumes. Can't forget the shea butter. My lid for shea butter always goes missing. I don't know why. And then I have my jewelry here. I just have some of my rings. This is actually a Leo like plate that my friend Alondra got me one Christmas. So thank you, Alondra. And then I have this jewelry holder that I got from Target. I just keep my bracelets, earrings, necklaces, more earrings and stuff. And then up here I have this picture thingy. I'm supposed to have pictures on there, clip them on, but I don't have any pictures yet. So we will figure that out one of these days, but I'm not really too pressed on that. Over here we have my bookcase. You guys, I built this bookcase all by myself. It's probably one of my proudest moments ever.
We can make the room because this room is empty a little bit.
Yeah.
So we need to place more stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you guys, this is the moment of truth. It's been like, I don't know how long, but I have done this. This is how far I've gotten. I literally spent 30 minutes like putting all these pins right here, right here. I messed up, but it's 11:30. Like, I am too tired for this. Oh! Ooh! Yes! Look at that. Ignore the mess. So I'm planning on putting this right here, but I thought it was gonna be like exactly this width, which in hindsight I should have tested it out first. Now I don't know if I should still keep it there or like put it against this wall, because I'm thinking of putting my dresser here. This is the thing, this room is so big that I will probably rearrange it 100 times before like I finally find what brings me joy. Now we have to put like the shelves on here, and I think this is good because I get to choose like where I want everything. So let's finalize this, okay? Because I am tired. This goes to show, ladies, you do not need a man ever. I never think I could do anything by myself, but I built this by myself and I'm very proud of it. On top here, just like random stuff, a crown, some frames, my Polaroid, and then I have this book by Andre and Simon that I'm supposed to be reading. Only read like 2 pages and then I stopped reading it. This mirror that I got at a thrift store, some pictures of Clara and I, and my word box with my mantra for this season of my life that I'm in, okay? 1,000 times greater. And then I have some of my purses here, and then this is why I keep like my sunglasses. I don't know if this is the best spot to put them, but this is just why I throw them. And then more purses, some more bags. Yeah, so this is the bookcase in its entirety. So yeah, this is kind of like the first portion of the room. And then we're gonna go here. This is like my desk slash area. This is where I do my work, obviously. I got this stool from, I think, I'm not sure, maybe Amazon, or I really don't know. But it was also easy to put together. And then this desk is from Amazon. I just have some random stuff in here, but my agenda, my notebook, pens and pencils, sticky notes, my iPad, laptop, my speaker, this is my phone, and then this is my lamp for whenever I'm studying. And then this is my calendar. I'm supposed to be writing my goals and stuff for the month, but I never do. Instead, I have this workout plan that I wrote 4 months ago. Yep, so this is my workspace. And looking here, I have my trash can with this notebook on top of it. I really didn't bother like having my room spotless for this because I was like, I'm just gonna have them see what it looks like on a normal day, okay? I don't know what that notebook is doing over here, but we're gonna leave it there. I think I wanted to throw it away, but it didn't fit in the trash can, so I just left it on top there. And then this is a lamp. I've had this lamp in this house for I don't know how long. There's also a leaf in there. I don't know how the frick that got there, but we don't really know where this lamp came from. It's just been in our house for forever. We are coming here to basically the bed side of the room. So my workspace here, then right next to it is my bed. Let's not look under there. There's just a whole bunch of wires and cables. I have my nightstand. I love this nightstand so much. I got this from, I have no Walmart, I think. I had to build this by myself. Oh my god, it was a nightmare. Just got another package. It might be my nightstand. If it is, I'm so happy. It is my nightstand. You guys, nobody told me that I have to build everything myself.
Haha, you have to build it.
Yo, shush. It's not funny. The legs? Oh god. No! I'm not built for this. Okay, so it came with instructions. Yay! Go me. Bob the motherfucking builder. I'm tired of building stuff. Like, this is not my forte.
This will take forever.
I know. So it's about an hour later. I realized that I messed up. I'm on step 10, okay? I'm on step 10. But I messed up because I was supposed to have like, I was looking at it and I was like, no, I know something's wrong. I'm supposed to have like this and this like line up so that I can slide this in, and now they're on opposite ends. So I have to either, I have to unscrew this and turn it around. I'm not mad. I'm actually surprised I'm doing this, so we're good.
Hey, don't hurt them. Do your thing. Ow.
Prayer and manifestation. Just allow me to live the life I want right now. It's been trying.
It was $40. No wonder I had to build it myself. What's the point of buying something if they're just gonna make it build
You really
But-
accomplished something.
Wow!
I never thought you could do it.
My mom has no faith in me. That was so much. 2 hours later. I love the like wood nature. As you can see, that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. This light wood accents all over my room. So this nightstand was perfect for that. I have my candle. This fake plant that I got from I think TJ Maxx. This also from TJ Maxx. And then just like my Bible, my prayer journal, career journal. Life journal, and then there's one more here. I think this one I don't know, I don't think I ever used that one, but yeah, this is my journals. And yeah, inside this is a whole mess. I have Zoal's iPad here because I confiscated it. On top of my bed we have these 3 frames. I got these frames from Target. I got the actual frame from Target. The pictures I got it from Etsy. On Etsy, there's a lot of artists that like sell their digital art for a little bit of money. So you buy it and then they'll send you a link to download the actual pictures. So I bought these off of an artist on Etsy. I can link her down below. I think it's her, but I can link the actual Etsy shop down below. I finally settled on this because as you can see, you know, the frame starts with her like, her head is completely down, you know? And then the second one, her head like peeks up a bit. And then the third one, her head is like fully up. I feel like it symbolizes getting out of bed. It's just as a reminder, if I ever forget how to get out of bed, I just remind myself slowly, you know? Slowly. I'm just fucking, I don't know what it means. I just like it. We have the actual bed. I think the bed is from Bob's Furniture. These pillows are all from Target. This comforter is from Target. And so is this, what is it called? Throw blanket. And then this rug, my mom bought it. I think it's from like rugs.com or something. I don't know. But this is what the side of the bed looks like. The clock is also from Target. It doesn't work. It just, well, I have no batteries in it. And then I have these little like fake plants from IKEA. And then these curtains, I'm actually gonna close it because it's late at night. Curtain is from Target as well. And then we come to this side of the room, which is right next to the bed. This is my vanity where I basically do my makeup and stuff like that. So on top of the table, I'm not gonna go too in detail, but I just have a little mirror, my makeup, eyeshadow palettes, like more makeup stuff. And then this desk, thank you to FlexiSpot. FlexiSpot actually sent me this desk, which I'm so grateful because I didn't want to use my, you know, work desk for makeup. So I actually have another makeup desk right now. FlexiSpot sent me this makeup desk and it is so clutch. It was so easy to build. It was very heavy though, you guys. So if you're building this, I'd suggest using like 2 people, but I did it by myself. I'll show y'all in a bit. Okay, so I finished building this, but I feel like it's a little slanted and I can see why. And these buttons work, if you guys can see. It's like lifting up and it can just lift down. Oh wow, this is clutch. But I love it. The cool thing about this desk is that it has these buttons on there that you can move it up. It goes so high. But yeah, you can move it up or down to your liking. I don't know, I just love this little feature. It's adjustable, basically. I never have it this high up, so I'm testing it for the first time. And I normally use it for makeup, but since it can be used as a stand-in desk as well, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. A lot of people like to stand up and do work or anything because of like blood flow and stuff. This is why this desk is really good if you're someone who's looking for, you know, a standing up desk that you wouldn't have to sit for so long, because I 100% agree with online school, especially doing online school for the past year or so. Sitting can be a real pain. So if you ever want to get relief from that, I like flexing on anyone who comes into my room, like, look what my desk can do. I'm gonna have the link down below. And then I got this chair from Amazon. Also very easy to build. Yeah. I have to build another one again.
You're recording?
Yeah. Wanna say hi?
Hi!
This is Mackenzie.
I'm gonna help her making the chair.
All right, I don't think it should be that bad because only 2 pieces.
But you're a YouTuber?
Yes.
Oh, I want to be a YouTuber.
Mackenzie, I'm recording.
So I just finished building
this chair. So now we're gonna do this big thing, and I don't know what it is.
Next to it, I have my ring light. I normally have my ring light on when I'm doing my makeup, so it's perfect that I just have it here. This is just like an overview. Those lights on this mirror are supposed to turn on, but I don't know where the little plug is, the lights to turn on, but it's really cool. We've had this mirror for a while. I don't know where we got it from, but we've had it for a while, and Clara just mounted it up onto this wall. Next to it, we have this portion of my room, which is the mirror. You guys have seen this mirror a lot. I actually had a different plant next to it, but I changed it and put that plant up in my living room. So now I have this one. This is also a fake plant, by the way. You cannot trust me with real plants. Yeah, I think it makes the room just much more brighter. Love this mirror. Got this mirror from Walmart. Ah, don't see my dogs. Yeah, there we go. Feet are out of the way. Okay, sorry. Here's my rug. Rug is from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. This little plant is from Target. And yeah, I love this side of my room because the way the mirror is positioned when I'm taking a picture of my outfit, you can see this little decor, but then you could also see the clothing rack in the back, which I feel like makes it a bit more stylish. So if anybody wants to, you know, decorate their room, you can take inspo from this little setup I have going on right here. Next to it, I have my closet. My closet is pretty big. I love that for me. It's not the best looking right now. My protein shake. And then I have a dresser right here. I have some clothes here. Ignore that. But yeah, this is just an overview of my closet. I need to buy more hangers. So that's why I have these over here, because I ran out of hangers. And then we're right back to where we started. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an overview once more, one last look. I take pride in the fact that every room I'm ever in, I just make it look bomb, like all the time. I'm still debating whether I want to put LED lights like up on this closet like I did in my last room, if you guys saw my last room tour. But I don't know yet. I don't know if I want LED lights because I like the mature like vibe and feel of this room. So I don't know if I want to add LED lights. Kind of childish, but it's kind of a vibe, so I don't know. One thing I don't like about this room, however, is that it's in the basement, like I said earlier, so the windows are like half blocked because it's literally underground, so I get no sunlight, which I hate it, because then I can never like film or really do a lot of things in here because there's no sunlight, and it drives me crazy. Like I never get actual sunlight. Like I didn't know the importance of the sun till I moved down here. Then I realized like, wow, I actually need the sun for a lot of things. So I actually bought this sunlight lamp that's supposed to mimic sunlight. So hopefully it comes in. I'll show y'all in a vlog or something how it looks like. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my room tour and transformation. And comment below any questions you have or comments, concerns. I'm happy to hear it all. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Pull up, can't see face, just hold up. Splash on waist into the Shinobi steps, I could